Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another phone theme. I've been literally changing my phone theme and my wallpapers like constantly. I just love making it cute and it makes me really happy, so I really love that. And I hope you guys like it as well and it makes you happy during this hard time of sharing phone themes and wallpapers with you guys. They are all free, always free. Unless I mention that they're not free. These are from the Samsung theme store. I do have links to them and I have the wallpapers as well on my phone saved. So if you guys would like any of these wallpapers or phone themes or have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, or you can always direct message me on Instagram and I will get back to you. So glad that you guys enjoy my phone theme videos. Like I said, I will be doing an updated in-depth in-depth video on my phone, exactly what I do, how I set it up, and what applications I have. So I really want to share with you guys exactly step by step because I've been jotting down notes and writing down a bunch of stuff that I will be sharing with you guys, and hopefully it answers a bunch of your questions. Also, let me know if I should do it in Spanish. Puedo hacer un video sobre mi teléfono, cómo lo organizo, cómo hago las aplicaciones y cómo pongo los wallpapers en mi teléfono. Si quieren ese video en español, por favor díganme en los comentarios y yo puedo hacer ese video en español y también en inglés. Entonces no sé si hacerlo, no sé si todavía hay seguidores que hablan español, porque yo feliz lo hago. Anyways, enough rambling. I will be showing you guys the wallpaper and the phone theme, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get started. I recently found this one. This is what the name is and the creator. This is a free phone theme and I feel like this one is so versatile, so cute, and I really loved it. So I will be using this one as some of the phone theme, not the phone theme, so I'll be using this as one of the wallpapers that I will be showing you guys for one of the phone themes. So this one is so pretty and I'm just going to apply it. It's called Pastel Rainbow 2 and I'm so excited to show you guys how it looks like on my phone. So it does look pretty crazy, pretty wild, I must say. The background is pretty crazy, but I will be applying my own wallpapers that I have, so I think that will make it super cute. This is how the icons looks like. So they're just kind of purple and white. I'm gonna go up like this and you guys can see there's more purple. The folders turn white, just pretty basic. The calculator looks purple. The calendar is also purple, and then the phone is really cute actually. I love how it's just colorful and you can see a little bit of the pattern up here, so I love this gradient rainbow effect. And this is how the messaging looks like. It's so fun, so cute, really colorful and happy. And this is how the keyboard looks like. It's also like a gradient purple green effect with some purple right there, and I think it just looks really cute. So I will be showing you guys what I will be applying to this. So this is how the image looks like. It's so cute. I love it so much and it just makes me so happy inside, and I love that this is going to be a perfect image. So here is the image that I will be applying as my lock screen. So here we have the little twin stars in the clouds with like little stars and pastel. They're flying away. There's a rainbow in the back with little birds, and I absolutely love this. This is such a beautiful little image, and I feel like this is perfect for this theme. And then I will also be applying the other image. So here is the home screen image. I felt like this one was really cute as well. It just has stars and it's also like a cloud effect in the backdrop, and then there's like a little bird right there, so I figured that one was going to match really well. This is how it looks like once it's applied. Really cute, really pretty. And then my favorite part is the lock screen. So here is the lock screen, and look at how adorable that is. I feel like the icons look really well as well with the wallpaper, and I love it. Now I will be showing you guys another one that also matches for your lock screen, and I feel like it goes very well with this image. So as you guys could see, this is the image for my home screen, and then this is the pairing image for the lock screen. So it's just the little twin stars with little teddy bears, and they're on clouds, and I absolutely love the star effect. So I feel like so this is how the image looks like. It's just so pretty and so cute, and it just makes me really excited when I look at my phone, because I feel like it's just like a little dream. So this is how it looks like, and once again I feel like it just looks very well with this rainbow look. So I hope you guys enjoyed, I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys feel better just kind of seeing my videos and seeing like the different phone themes that are out there, as well as the wallpaper images, and everything is free. I know times are hard right now, and I will be doing more free wallpapers and phone themes, and just kind of trying to brighten up everyone's day through these hard times. I know our phones are very essential during this time, and I feel like we spend a lot of time on it, so might as well make it super cute and super girly and super happy, and just take everything day by day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!